In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notification sound in Outlook if those new mail pings are distracting. This quick walkthrough will show you how to silence them while still keeping your visual alerts. We'll do this in Outlook on the web. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land in your inbox. Once you're in Outlook, look to the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon to open Settings. This opens a side panel with quick settings and a link to see all settings. In that panel, select General to access the broader configuration options. General is where Outlook groups things like language, time, and notification preferences, so it's the right place for what we need. Next, click Notifications. This section controls how Outlook alerts you to new mail and other activity. Make sure you're looking at the mail area within Notifications, since that's where the sound option lives. If the window is narrow, you might need to scroll a bit to see everything. Now, locate the setting labeled Play Sound. Depending on your version, it may say Play a sound when new messages arrive. This is the toggle that controls the audible ping for new emails. Choose None to silence the sound. Selecting None ensures you'll still receive notifications, but Outlook won't play any audio when mail comes in. After making that change, scroll if needed and click Save. This step is important. Your choice won't apply unless you save it. If you don't see a confirmation, wait a second for the setting to update. From now on, Outlook will continue to notify you about new messages, but it will do so silently. You'll still see banners or badges depending on your other settings, just without the chime interrupting your focus. A few tips before we wrap up. If you can't find General or Notifications right away, expand the Settings panel or search for Notifications within the settings. If the Play Sound option looks different, focus on any wording related to sound for new messages and set it to None. And if you prefer to keep sounds for certain alerts, you can revisit this page anytime to adjust the setting. That's all it takes to turn off the email notification sound in Outlook on the web. Save your changes and enjoy a quieter inbox experience.